Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create Canva template links. So this could be really helpful if you want to share your templates with others, or if you maybe want to sell your templates on a platform like Etsy. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, we need to find the template. So I'm going to click on the templates. Then I'm going to look for something like a planner. So the type of template you might want to sell or share with others. It might be something like this social media audit, which is quite cool. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my text. So Katie's social media audit. So if I had more time, I would obviously go in. I might like edit some of these colors, add different things in. I'd make sure to make the template my own before I shared it with others. But when I'm happy, I'm going to give my template a name. So I'm going to give it a social media planner name. Then to share it with others, you need to get the template link. So when you've edited your template, I'm going to click on share, and you'll be given a few different options of how you can share your design. You might not immediately see the template link because you have to click on the three dots, which is see all. It will give you more options. Then from there, you should see the section that says template link. So I'm going to click on that and create the template link. Be aware that I think you do need a pro plan to do this. You need a paid plan if you want to create links for your templates. So I'm going to click on create template link. It will give me my link and then I can copy it. Before you share it with others, it's always a good idea to test it out. So I'm going to copy the link, add it to a new page in my browser, and then you can see that it looks pretty good. And if I send this to someone, they can click on edit template or view the template. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.